That's what's happening. Hakuna vita. Pole, wasimame pale. Watu wasimame pale.
It's very clear.
Please speak to us.
This is the court order we got today. And it is very clear there is what is called subjective law. There are some laws for some and others for others. That is called impunity. What you are witnessing today is the height of impunity. Complete height of impunity on top of persecution. This is persecution. Power has an expiry date. It is coming. It is very near. And I want to tell those that believe that persecution of their fellow Kenyans and impunity on their fellow Kenyans, that they shall face the wrath of God. It is coming. It is clear. Right now, the DCI is a convict. He has no rights to put anybody in handcuffs.
But you're in handcuffs.
Yes, he has no right. And the courts will adjudicate that. There is a bigger picture here, and it has to do with elections. After all, why is it every election, it is Jimmy that is sought? 2017, I'm being looked for. 2022, now suddenly. In between that, there's no problem. It is about the elections.
Are you financing someone?
I am making the election very uncomfortable for some people.